Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Sense with Samuel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use your phone smartly. Your phone is one of the most powerful tools you carry every day. For so many people, it has become the biggest distraction. Some people use their phone to build skill, grow their income, and also improve their life. Others use the same phone to waste hours scrolling and watching random content. The difference is not the phone, the difference is how you use it. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to turn your phone into a tool for a success instead of a tool for distraction. What does it mean to use your phone smartly? Using your phone smartly means being intentional. It means you control your phone and your phone does not control you. It means your phone helps you to learn faster, work better, connect smarter, and grow personally and financially. A smart user does not just open apps without purpose. A smart user decides what to do with their phone and for how long. Why many people waste time on their phone? Let us be honest with ourselves. Most apps are designed to keep you addicted. Social media videos, notifications, and endless scrolling are built to steal your attention. You may pick your phone to reply one message, and 1 hour later, you are still scrolling. This is how time disappears without you noticing. Time is the most valuable asset you have. When you waste time on your phone, you are wasting your life little by little. So the first step to using your phone smartly is awareness. Know when your phone is helping you and when it is wasting your time. Use your phone for learning new skills. Your phone can be your pocket classroom. You can learn tech skills, business skills, editing, design, programming, and digital marketing with your phone. YouTube online courses, podcasts, and ebooks are available on your smartphone. Instead of watching random videos, train your algorithm to show you educational content. Search for videos that teach you valuable skills. Follow creators like Tech Sense with Samuel that teach, not only entertain. If you spend 1 hour daily learning on your phone, in 1 year your knowledge level will change completely. Your phone can help you to earn. You can learn freelancing, content creation, social media management, online marketing, and remote job using just your phone. You can manage online businesses, respond to customers, and build a personal brand. Many people in Nigeria and around the world are earning online using just their smartphone. The phone itself is not the magic. The knowledge and the consistency you apply through your phone is what creates the results. Use your phone to improve productivity. Your phone should help you get things done. Use note apps to write ideas. Use calendar apps to plan your day. Use reminder to stay organized. Set daily goals on your phone and track your progress. Turn off unnecessary app notifications that disturb your focus. Your phone can either help you stay productive or keep you distracted. It is now left for you to choose wisely. Protect your privacy and security. Using your phone smartly also means protecting yourself. Do not click random links. Do not download unknown apps. Use strong password and biometric security. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Enable two-step verification on your important account. Your phone carries your personal data, bank apps, email, and private information. If you are careless, your phone can become a danger instead of a tool. Control your screen time. You must control how long you spend on your phone daily. Check your screen time regularly. Set limits for social media apps. Create phone-free time for studying, working, and resting. Do not sleep with your phone in your hand. Rest your eyes and your mind. A smart user uses their phone but also knows when to put it down. Build smartphones habits. Small habits create big results. Decide what you want to use your phone for each day. For example, 30 minutes for learning, 20 minutes for responding to messages, 15 minutes for entertainment. When you use your phone with purpose, you stop feeling guilty about the screen time because your phone is now serving your goals. Your phone is a powerful tool. It can make you smarter or it can make you more distracted. It can help you grow or it can help you waste time. The choice is yours. From today, decide to use your phone to learn, to build skills, and to improve your life. Do not let your phone control you. You should be the one control your phone. If this video helped you, kindly like this video, subscribe to Tech Sense with Samuel, and share this video with someone that wants to start using their phone smartly. Drop a comment under this video and tell me one way you want to start using your phone smartly. See you in the next video.